Hello there, this is Ligers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a surfboard ding. This is for a smaller ding, like if it hits by a rock or something. And what you'll be needing is the resin. This is the Dr. Repair resin. So the resin in here, you have your powder, which is like baking soda, and then you've got your mix cup. You only actually need one. Be needing some hard grit and smooth grit sandpaper, some plastic that you can get from plastic bags, just cut out section, and a mixing stick. Alright, so let's get started. First you want to grab your surfboard and lay it on the plastic. A bunch of things in this one, but what I'm going to be working on right now. This is just a rail thing. There's all kinds of different on this board, and that's all I'm working on here. Alright, so what we want to do is mix up your resin, and make sure to do this in a shade. This is sunpowered, so take your cup or your mixing thing and apply an equal amount. So this is just a small one, so it'll be maybe that much. If there's more so you want it to be a nice, easy material. Side so sticky. Stir it around. About like that. Then you're at your thing, and you want to get something sharp. Then you want to fill it up with your mixture. And kind of get a really small amount. You can put it in there. That done. And then we have to move it in the sun for a little while. Okay, so we just want to set it out in this nice spot. After we have it all smoothed out, and we go on to a finer grain sandpaper. And do that. yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to prepare a surfboard, with simply resin and powder and sun.